Easy recipe for breakfast. Raspberry Peach Swirled Smoothie. You'll need 1/2 cup frozen unsweetened raspberries, thawed. 1/3 cup orange juice. 2 5.3 ounce cartons non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. 1½ cups frozen peach slices. 1 ripe banana, cut into 2-inch chunks and frozen for at least 2 hours. 1 tablespoon honey. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Fresh raspberries, optional. How to make it. Step 1. In a blender, combine raspberries and orange juice. Cover and blend until smooth. Divide between 2 glasses. Step 2. Wash out the blender. In the clean blender, combine yogurt, peaches, banana, honey, and ginger. Cover and blend until smooth. Pour over raspberry mixture in glasses. Step 3. Swirl with a spoon. If desired, top with fresh raspberries. Serve immediately. Easy recipe for breakfast. Raspberry Peach Swirled Smoothie.